Hi everyone, our lesson name is Nutrition, the food supplying system. Today our topics are water and photosynthesis, air and photosynthesis. End of the topic you will able to understand what is the role of water in the photosynthesis and what is the role of air in the photosynthesis. We know that photosynthesis process what materials we require. The equation also we know that 6CO2 plus 12H2O, sunlight by chlorophyll, C6H12O6 plus 6H2O plus 6O2. So what are the materials required for photosynthesis carry out purpose? We know that initial materials such as carbon dioxide, water, sunlight, chlorophyll required for photosynthesis carry out purpose. So who did experiment before? Now we know this one, but who did this experiment to know this one? Means earlier the scientist von Helmont did experiment on the water and photosynthesis. This purpose he selected one willow plant. So willow plant is taken and is also taken one large pot is covered with a lid, and the lid which is containing holes. So before he conducting this experiment he measured mass of the soil. He also measured the mass of the plant. After he is daily giving some of the water, only allowing water only, other materials are not allowed. So this experiment continue 5 years. So what he concluded finally, the plant mass is increasing due to water. At the time he don't know. Later we know that the water only not important for the photosynthesis, other materials also required. But first of all, who did the experiment means the von Helmont scientist did experiment, that is the willow plant is taken and is also taken pot, soil, and he measured both things, mass of the soil as well as plant mass also. Okay, so then he concluded this one. Later we know that what are the materials required photosynthesis, not only playing water, other things also required, we know that. Okay, the next concept. So water, who did this experiment? Von Helmont. Next, air, Joseph Priestley. And the other scientist named after we discussing. First of all, so Joseph Priestley, what is did experiment? He did many series of experiments on the photosynthesis. This purpose, first of all, is taken one bell jar. and keep inside one burning candle. So it is burning some time, after it is stopping its burning. This is experiment 1. Then this is also did another one. Experiment 2 is taken one rat. Keeping inside bell jar. So this rat also suffering or suffocated for breathing. The third one is or this side also nothing will happen. He keep inside mint leaf, mint plant. Here also. So this time he observed the burning, first experiment is observed the burning candle continuously glowing, and the second one rat also continuously living without suffocating, the continuously living. So what is the understand here? What is his conclusion here? His conclusion, the what the plants are gives gas, that gas is absorbed by animals, or this burning things like a candle also utilizing that one. And what is the releasing, the burning candle, what is it releasing gas, that is utilized by plant. The second experiment, rat, what is it releasing? It is absorbed by plant, and plant what is the gas is releasing, that gas is absorbed by rat. He concluded that. So that time he not given any name. After the another scientist, this experiment is did 1774. He discovered the oxygen, but is not given name. Just he said what is the gas we taking, that gas we are getting from the plant, and plant what gas is required, they are getting from the animals. He said that one only. Okay. So later the gas is named by Lavoisier in the 1775. Lavoisier scientist is named, what is that gas is given name? Oxygen. Okay, so we are here today to discussing two topics. What are the main two topics? Water and photosynthesis, and the second one is air and photosynthesis. Who did the experiment on the water and photosynthesis means Van Helmont. This purpose is taken one willow plant, and this purpose is also taken one large pot is filled with the soil. Then after is keeping this plant in the pot, is not allowing, is covering with the lid, not without allowing any other materials, is just giving water only. And he concluded that the plant mass is increasing due to the water. So at that time they don't know, they also required other materials. Okay, next one is air and photosynthesis. Here Joseph Priestley did many series of experiment. That purpose is taken bell jar, and as well as a burning candle and rat, mint leaf. These are using to identify. It is a milestone of the photosynthesis experiment. He concluded that what is the gas animals is releasing that gas is required to the plant, and what the plants are releasing that is required to the animals. After next year, the another scientist is named to the gas is oxygen. Okay, so we are discussing about water and air. So next experiment we are going to discuss about carbon dioxide is necessary for the photosynthesis. Okay, okay, thank you for watching. Thank you everyone.